All right, so we just grouped everything together. Um, and the cool thing is now when you move it, the whole thing moves together because it's grouped together. It's as if this is one object now. So that's raising, that's centering using the align tool. So that definitely will help. Another thing that you can do is if we add a block, make it 50 by 25 with a height of 15. So 50 by 25, height of 15, and then we'll change the color from red to yellow. Yeah, sorry, I went orange. We'll go yellow. Now, you'll notice at the top in basic shapes, it says box and cylinder again, but it's like this see-through gray. That implies that it's a hole, and holes can actually do some pretty cool things in TinkerCAD. So let's add a sphere. Let's make this sphere 15 by 15 with a height of 15. And then on the right over here, instead of it being a solid, make it a hole. So click hole, and then you're going to copy and paste it so that there's a bunch of them. I'm going to make 10 of them. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can then take these and put them anywhere on what you already made. So something you really want to try to do as well when you're moving these spheres around is change the height of them. What you can do, you can't really see me doing this, is once you get something kind of where you want it to be, you don't have to use your mouse for it. You can, well, the height you have to click and move everything. But if you want to move something over just a little bit, you can use the arrows on your keypad. So once something is live, meaning right now it's not, when you click it, it is live. You can move it around like this. That's really helpful. So you raise it up and just use the arrows. So what I want you to do is take these spheres, raise them up and down a little bit, move them around the rectangular piece that you made. Now I made 10, which is honestly, it might be borderline too much. So as you can see, I'm kind of running out of space, which isn't a problem. You can use less if you want. You can also, besides going up, you can go down too, which might give it an interesting take. So something like this, I think we're just about done. I'm going to ultimately end up using only 9 of them, just raising up these spheres that are also holes. And then the cool thing is, get a good perspective on it, highlight everything. So click when nothing's open, really click and drag it over everything. You'll see now it says shapes 10. So all of those shapes are involved. And then you group them, and those holes will then group and mix with the solid, and now it'll kind of cut out chunks. So this is cool. It kind of looks like a block of cheese. So that's pretty interesting. And now that's going to be like that. And the last thing I want to show you is really just a little bit about the rotation tool. So you click the text and you click it in. Over here you can maybe write your first name or whatever it is that you want to create. And I just want you to acknowledge that when you make this, there's all these arrows. So these arrows let you rotate around this way. These arrows would go, so there's all these different planes that you can really rotate around. One thing to kind of keep in mind is if you stay on the inside, it jumps by numbers that are familiar. So this helps you get to 90 degrees. But that's on the inside. See how the inside, you kind of see these little markings. So if you put it on the inside, it goes big jumps. But if you go on the outside, it goes small jumps. So that's something to think about. Really just turn it 90 degrees. You might notice if you do that, part of it will go under the plate. Then you lift it up so that it's on the plate. And then this is really the view that you want to have. You can change the color if you want, but you want to have a view like this and screenshot it.